In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access different versions of a document in Grammarly step by step so you can quickly find older drafts, review changes, and download the version you need without getting lost in the process. This is really useful if you've been editing a document for a while and want to go back to a previous copy, compare progress, or recover something you may have changed or removed by mistake. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Grammarly and sign in to your account. Once you land on the Grammarly dashboard, take a moment to look over to the left-hand panel. This is where Grammarly keeps several important tools and project options, so you'll want to focus there carefully. From the left panel, select Version History. This is the section that lets you view stored versions of your documents. Once you click it, Grammarly will open a new tab for you. In that new tab, you'll be able to see the documents connected to your account along with their saved temporary versions. Now, browse through the active projects listed on the page. When you find the document you want, expand it so you can view the available versions. Grammarly will show you the stored draft history for that file, which makes it easy to check earlier changes and pick the one you need. If you want to keep a copy, you can download it directly from the expanded version list. Just choose the version you want, then download it and save it to your device. That way, you'll have access to the older draft whenever you need it. And that's it. Now you know how to access different versions of a document in Grammarly. It's a simple process, but it can save you a lot of time if you ever need to restore an earlier draft or review your editing history. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.